The BOSCH 1617EVSPK router combo kit is equipped with a powerful 12-amp motor that delivers between 8,000 and 25,000 revolutions per minute, providing ample power for a wide range of woodworking tasks. This versatile kit includes both a plunge base and a fixed base, allowing for precise bit plunging, edge forming, slot cutting, laminate trimming, and dovetail cutting. The precision centering design ensures that the router bit stays on the intended cut line, making it ideal for use with jigs, templates, and dovetail fixtures. With its quick clamp system, the motor can be moved easily between bases without the need for any tools, enhancing convenience and efficiency. The kit features advanced electronic features such as variable speed control, soft start functionality, and constant response circuitry to maintain speed under load. Constructed from durable aluminum and featuring comfortable wooden and soft grip handles, this router combo kit is built for both quality and user comfort.